Hello friends, welcome to the TechListen channel. So friends, today I will talk about Lenovo ThinkStation P360 Ultra workstation. So friend, Lenovo has introduced the ThinkStation P360 Ultra workstation with NVIDIA RTX A5000 GPU, and friend, it is priced start at $1,299 USD. And friend, the chassis is less than 4 liter in total volume, yet still boasts 12th generation Intel Core processors and support for up to NVIDIA RTX A5000 mobile professional graphics, so user can experience tower-like performance within this new form factor. And friend, it ultra performs previous generation small form factor desktop workstation by more than 50%. And friend, an industry first design position the motherboard in the middle of the chassis, allowing for superior cooling and maximum space efficiency when configuring the workstation. And friend, this new system offers up to 128 GB of DDR5 memory, 2 PCIe Generation 4 slot for expandability, up to 8 TB of M.2 storage, support for up to 8 displays. And friend, it is also the industry's only desktop workstation to come equipped with dual onboard Ethernet and Thunderbolt 4 ports for maximum flexibility and I/O expansion, providing a benefit whenever workstations are embedded as part of larger complex systems such as MRI machines and interactive kiosks. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.